One of the favorite bits of Hanukkah is the food called latkes. So we start grating some potatoes. We also need some eggs. We're going to check the egg that it's good. Yeah, it looks alright. Okay, so we'll put that in. And now we fry it in oil. Now that's kind of, the oil is really the important part of the latkes, because it reminds us of that time over 2,000 years ago when the Jewish people were trying to follow our religion, and this evil emperor tried to force us to become like him. He was very intolerant. So he smashed our temple and he destroyed all the special holy oil, pure oil we had in the temple for our lamps. And we're very, very thankful that evil emperor was defeated. We fixed up our temple, and then we needed oil for our special lamp, but we didn't have enough oil. We only had oil supply for 1 day for the lamp, but a miracle happened and it lasted for 8 days. And so because of that special lamp and the oil, that's what happened with the oil. Part of Hanukkah's got foods with oil. So some people have donuts, but in our family, in lots of families, we have latkes, and that's this delicious stuff here, frying in oil, because oil is an important part of the story. Here we go. The latkes are ready, so that's great. So we're going to have those in a minute, okay? But before that, another thing we do on Hanukkah is we light candles to remember the lights in the temple. An important message that all people should be allowed to follow their own cultures and religions, with no one trying to force them not to. And Hanukkah celebrates this freedom that we have, and we're very grateful.